the result of the first activity, which is the connect the PC1, PC0 to PC1 to switch 0, then PC2 and PC3 to switch 1. Next. And here is the bus topology. There you go. The bus topology, which include the IP address. Lahat po yan meron. Start topology. Start topology natin. Then naka-indicate natin po dyan yung mga IP configuration address. Lahat po yan meron. Next naman po is the ring topology. Ring topology. There you go. Ito po ang ring topology natin. Naka-indicate din po dyan lahat ng IP address. Lahat po yan meron. Next naman po natin is the mesh. Is the mesh. Parang ring topology din po siya, pero may connecting din po sa mismong switch server. So lahat po yan may IP address din po. Is the hybrid topology naman po. Ito naman po. May mga IP address din po yan. See? Nasulat naman po dyan. Each one meron po IP address. Question naman po, what does amber and green light indicates in Cisco packet tracer? My answer to that: in Cisco packet tracer, amber and orange and green lights represent the status of the network ports in connection. The amber light, it indicates that the port is black listening or learning state. For the green light, indicates that port is active forwarding and the link is working properly with successful data transmission. Second one, what is the function of the switch in hubs? A hub is a basic network device that broadcasts data to all ports, and the switch is more advanced. It intelligently forward data only to specific device or port that needs it, reducing traffic and providing network efficiency. do you think is the topology that use single medium? For me po, the topology that use single medium is the bus topology, because it uses a single central cable as the medium through which all devices are connected. And the fourth and last question, what can you conclude from this activity? From this activity naman po, I can conclude that understanding the behavior of networking devices and topologies is crucial for designing efficient networks. Visual tools like Facebook Packet Tracer help illustrate how switches, hubs, and connections function in real time. That's all. Thank you.